Life is full of surprises, and the road is no exception. That's why it's important to be prepared for emergencies. By having a game plan in mind and staying cool under pressure, you'll be ready to tackle those unexpected moments like a true pro. Have an emergency kit. Every car needs an emergency kit on standby just in case. Now, your kit should include essentials like a first aid kit, a trusty flashlight, jumper cables, a tire pressure gauge, and a basic toolkit. Know your escape routes. Now, when emergencies happen, it's important to know your way out. Familiarize yourself with the exits and alternate routes on the roads you frequent. This way, if there's a road closure or a sudden detour, you'll be ready to navigate your way to safety. Stay calm and alert. In an emergency, it's easy to freak out and make hasty decisions. But remember, staying calm and alert is your secret weapon. Take a deep breath, assess the situation, and make smart choices. Call for backup. If you find yourself in a serious emergency, don't hesitate to call for help. Dial emergency services or roadside assistance if needed.